Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your AssuredPartners insurance detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your AssuredPartners insurance, start by gathering your policy documents. Ensure you have your policy number readily available. Visit the AssuredPartners website. Look for the Client Login option on the homepage. Click on the Client Login link. If you are a first-time user, select the Register option. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your name, email address, and policy number. Create a secure password for your account. After completing the form, submit your registration. Check your email for a confirmation link from AssuredPartners. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the AssuredPartners website and navigate to the Client Login again. Enter your registered email address and password. Once logged in, locate the Manage Policies section on your dashboard. Select the policy that you wish to activate. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your insurance. Review any additional information or options presented during the activation process. Once completed, make sure to save or print your confirmation. Log out of your account when you are finished. If you encounter any issues, contact AssuredPartners customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.